Welcome everyone, Team 7 on another adventure. And today's adventure is coming to you from SeaWorld Orlando. We have to see if they're going to test icebreaker today. I know past couple of days, well, I know yesterday definitely, they were testing the tray table, well the transfer table I should say, icebreaker. So hopefully testing has begun. We'll see. Join me. Can't see construction walls up. The festival path. 2021 project. It's going to be on that side. Rumored to be a B&M wind coaster. I just realized how much easier it is to record during the weekday without all the music in the background. I understand that currently a B&M wind coaster is rumored to be going back there, but if SeaWorld Orlando gets a B&M wind coaster, we're going to talk about game changer. Already, quite arguably, they have the best lineup of B&M coasters. I know there are parks that have more, and you know, there's only three, blah blah blah, but three great coasters. 3 great coasters. So we'll see. We will see. You see the American flag still on the track, so no testing yet.
The sun is in your eyes? Okay, we're coming in.
When you think of killer whales, most people think of cold weather environments, like the Pacific Northwest. Another adaptation is coloration. Here's an easy one. What color are killer whales? That's right, black and white. Killer whales have a really cool adaptation that helps them. For a killer whale. Killer whales use teamwork and cooperation. They work together to achieve a goal. Cooperation also comes into play when killer whales hunt fast, small fish that can be hard to catch. Check out this footage of killer whales corralling a school of parents into a tight ball.
Got the trains all covered with a tarp. Air gates are in. lot of people working. Looks like there's definitely a push to get this done. You can see proximity sensors on the track. Have to imagine testing is definitely coming soon. Got 4 new poles here. Weren't here the other day. The uplighting, as you can see right here, is already in position. Definitely going to be for netting. Make sure guests walking below don't get hit with anything. Definitely a lot of activity going on this side also. It's amazing how this wave element right here has become a very popular element. Especially when it's going over a crosswalk like it is here, or on Ainguazi going over the station. On Fury 325 also, going over the sidewalk. This has become a very popular little wave element. Okay, so there's nothing really going on. So this is going to be my last day for a couple of weeks before I can get back to the park. So who knows by the time I get back, because we do have a cruise on Sunday. Yes, I'm still going on my cruise. There is no way, no way I'm canceling. Absolutely. So it is what it is. It's one of those things. But I'm going. As long as they say, as long as the ships are still sailing, I'm getting on it. So, and yeah. So, but anyway, nothing really going on here. So I'm gonna go head over to Islands of Adventure to check out the Jurassic roller coaster or Velocicoaster, whatever they call it. So, I guess join me some more. I gotta make sure I know where I park, because for some reason, every time I'm here at Universal, I never turn around to look and see where I'm parked, and I don't got the truck or the Challenger today, so I can't check the GPS to see where the car is parked. So, yeah, some strange reason. SeaWorld, always parking road 13, so, but off we go. Man, it's a hot one today. Woo. A lot hotter than I thought it was going to be. Over here wearing pants. Should have put on some shorts, but live and learn, live and learn. You can see no major changes yet on the outside. I believe inside this little tunnel area, I believe there's a track already there, the launch track, or launch section. I believe it's already in place, if I'm not mistaken. We'll go over to that side soon, see how much we can see. Got some work going on here in front of Spider-Man. Set enhancement in progress. Looks like you're gonna come out of the raptor pen and underneath a bridge. And this roller coaster right here is gonna cover a lot of real estate, some prime real estate too, right on the waterfront. That's gonna be an awesome addition. And I love all this stuff. I love all this roller coaster stuff, man. Great time to be alive if you're a roller coaster fanatic. I know there's a lot of other stuff going on in the world, but you know, and yeah. You ain't gonna get me down. I refuse. I refuse to be down on life right now. I refuse to. Still think that's the way to build a roller coasters, out in the open where everybody can see it, especially in these 365-day-a-year parks, because you know, all the free advertising you get. I mean, when you compare it to some of the other coasters, well, you compare it to Guardians of the Galaxy, Cosmic Rewind, because it's taking so long to build it and you really can't see anything. It's kind of a non-issue. Like, you don't even think about it until it's up. But we look at all these other roller coasters being built, like Icebreaker and this one, the Velocicoaster and Iron Gwazi. There is just so much so many vloggers, theme park vloggers, roller coaster vloggers, just documenting everything, and builds excitement, makes it exciting. You know, I mean, even when you compare Cosmic Rewind to Tron, there's more video and more footage of Tron out there than there is Guardians of the Galaxy, because people can actually see it, especially from the People Mover. So you can follow along, and it just builds excitement. So that's just my 2 cents.
You ready?
Hagrid's wait time currently 60 minutes. Hagrid's being 60 minutes. That's awesome. To be honest with you, I'm gonna come record some more footage and head back. If it's still 60 minutes, I'm jumping on it. But yeah, 60 minutes. I haven't seen it 60 minutes before, ever. So it is a good roller coaster. So great roller coaster actually. And the theming is spot on. They did a great job of telling the story on the coaster. However, you know, everybody got their opinions. That's not number 2. I'm sorry. I see a lot of places, quite a few, that have Hagrid's ranked as number 2. And yeah, no, sorry. I can't accept Hagrid's as number 2. I can't accept Millennium Force as number 2. I can't accept Maverick as number 2. So that's just me. We can debate about it in the comments below. My goodness. Man. And then you got people up here squirting you with water guns. Okay, so that's going to be it for today's video. I got to get home and pack. I still haven't packed. Today's Wednesday. I got work tomorrow, Friday. Oh, Friday I'm off. Friday, Saturday, Sunday I'm off. So we'll see. Whatever I don't get packed today, I'll just do on Friday. But yeah. So that's going to be it. And until the next adventure, which is probably going to be in a couple weeks. Because we're going to be on this cruise for a week. And then I got to get all the footage together and get it all edited and stuff like that, which sometimes it takes a lot longer than it should. Sometimes I'll be in the zone and I just get it done quickly. So, but that's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. I'm a fickle person sometimes. So anyway, until the next adventure, deuces.